Hello, here we are with another tutorial for you. In this video, we will show you how to blur the background in your image in LightX editor. At first, visit our website, lightxeditor.com on your device. Once you have reached the website, click on the editor tools and select the blur tool under it. Using our advanced blur tool, you can very easily apply the blur effect to your image to hide any unwanted objects or achieve a surreal effect. Now, to start with editing, click on any image from the 4 preset options provided by LightX if you don't have a preferred image of your own. If you have one, tap on the Upload Image button. You can insert your favorite image via your device, stock, or uploads. In this video, we are selecting an amazing photo via Uploads. Upon a successful selection and upload, you will get redirected to the blur tool. Here, you need to make a selection around the subject or object in your image. Do so by moving the cursor over the image with the default Smart Select tool. The blur effect will then get added to the background automatically. To refine the selection and the effect further, navigate to the Selection tool. Use any option out of Smart Select, Magic Brush, or Brush to select and restore the blur effect, and Smart Erase, Magic Erase, or Erase to deselect and erase the blur effect. Look at how we are using the Magic Erase, here, to remove the blur effect smoothly from the desired parts. Next, move to the Blur Intensity slider in order to adjust the amount of the blur effect on your image. Once you are all done with the editing, click on Apply to save the edits you just made. Wait until the image gets processed. Go to the top, then, to rename your image. In the end, click on the Download button at the top right. Adjust the output settings as you like. Click on the Download button one more time to finally save your image to your device.